All right, so I got this Waist Relax Mate. It's a multi-level back stretching device. 5 minutes a day is supposed to do it for you. So we're gonna try it out, see what we think. All right, that's what it looks like out of the box. All right, so let's open it up. I think this thing was, you know, 20 bucks or something like that. Gives you some directions. You got this thing here you need. So anyway, it works kind of like this. This side goes in there, and then this side, you gotta bend it like this to get it to go in here. See? So this has got, you pull it out. So this has a number of little ranges that you can put it in. So if you want to get it really tight, you can stick it. Well, let's put it in the first one because it's just to get it started. So that's your first start, and then you can bow it bigger. Apparently, this goes in here like this, and that's supposed to, I don't know, do something for you like that. So you gotta shove this in there. All right, that's that. All right, that's how you set it up. Now we can make it higher because I think I need it higher than that. But that's kind of like the idea, and then you lay on it. So let's try it out and see how it works. All right, so I'm just gonna put it down here on there, and then I'm just gonna lay on top of it, pretty much. So that's that. And then you just kind of, oh shit, it's got like spikes in it. All right, I'm laying on it. Feels pretty good, really. I guess you just lay here for a couple minutes. Let me pull this up so you can see it. I kind of like it. And these things are like massage you. You can feel them going right in your back. And I can make it even higher. If you want to get the arch bigger, what you got to do is you got to get down on your knees. And you got to put your knees right in here. And then you're going to pull this up like that. That and get it into one of the bigger holes. Now I've made it a much bigger arch. So this is much higher. So we're gonna try that, see how it feels. I think it's gonna hurt. So I'm just gonna put her here. And here we go. Let's try it. I'll pull up my shirt so you can see. Oh, wow. Much different. Oh, there we go. Holy crap. That is really stretching. That's stretching me like a son of a gun. That's a big stretch. Whew, I can feel it. I can feel it all in the muscles up here in my stomach. And see, look. Wow. That's the highest setting I put it on. All right, to change it, you got to put your knees here, and then you got to pull this, and then you can go to any of the settings if you want. That's the lowest setting. There's medium, and there's like if you really want to get a good stretch. And that's how you do it. Very simple. Something I do every day until I get my back back. So you can see the rungs that when I changed it on my knees, I pulled it from that front one to that one, which is only 2 inches, but it bows it up so much that it's pretty amazing. Yeah, so we're gonna keep that out here. How's that feel?
It's a stretch.
So you can see her body's bowing. Can't see her face, but she doesn't want her face in this. But that thing works good, doesn't it? So it's good for everybody.
Yeah.
I think I would use the lower setting to start off with. But I tried that and it was pretty good.
Yeah, that's cool. It's interesting.
I don't know what it's called. It's called the back something or other. Does it have a name on it? No, it doesn't. But anyway, so you put the big end over here, and then you can adjust it. You get 3 adjustments. And that's the highest one, and we showed you the lowest one. And you can figure out the maiden one if you want. All right, that's it. All right, just for your edification, here are the instructions. Here's how you move it around. Shows you using your knees. And here's the precautions. And the name of this thing is the Waist Relax Mate. Yes, it's on the back, nothing. All right, that's it.